Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're going to make lemon spice chicken wings. So these are the lemon spice chicken wings in question, and they're still dripping. They're from the tray, and also I am hungry. So I have here my homemade aioli dip, and I'm gonna dip this chicken wings and take a bite. Okay, it's still a bit hot, but it's manageable. So, ta-da! So here are our ingredients for chicken wings. So we have chicken wingettes here. I have some lemon, ground cumin seeds, dried onions, garlic powder, sweet paprika, black pepper, salt, and oil. Alright, so what we're going to do first is slice up some lemons. So what you want to do is actually grab the juices from the lemons. You just want to slice it up. So we have sliced lemons. So now we have the sliced lemon. So what we want to do is squeeze in the juice out of it, and we're gonna have to use a sift so that the seeds doesn't go in and the pulp doesn't go in as well. Just want to get some juice in there. This is a fair bit of chicken. It is 2 kilos of chicken, so you want to add in a fair bit of juice in there. It helps the chicken taste really good. So let's add in our spices. I'm gonna put in this dried onion first. Just gonna put in a fair bit in there. I love onions, so I probably put in a lot. And then we have our ground cumin. Let's just spread it around. And then we have some ground garlic powder. So you just want to add a fair bit in there because there's a lot. So I'll put in the full bag because I love garlic. And then we have sweet paprika. Just put a fair bit in there too. And then we're going to add in some black pepper. Just put so much in there, you know? Add in some salt. And some oil. So what we're going to do right now is just mix it up. So you want to cover most of the chicken, and the lemon juice is probably underneath, trying to soak it up. So what you want to do for this chicken is you want to marinate it for at least overnight so that the chicken can actually soak up the goods. But a good 30 minutes is also not too bad. So what we're going to do with this chicken is we're going to put it in the oven. So it's going to be oven roasted chicken wings. And look at that, getting the color that we want. Pretty, so just wrap it up. See? Ta-da! Next step is get a baking tray with baking paper underneath it. So what you want to do is line up your chicken wingettes or your chicken wings or your chicken drumsticks or whatever chicken you want to use. But just want to line it up, skin facing up. So what you want to do next is put your oven in 200 degrees, fan force if you have it, or just a normal oven, and just open it up. And then put in your chicken like so. and let's cook it. Now put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and once it's cooked, just try to flip it on the other side so that the other side is not too soggy, and put it on for 20 minutes. And that's it. Just put it back there and you have a wonderful roasted lemon spice chicken. Enjoy!